Is everybody ready for the great Christmas picnic?
Yeah!
Christmas-tastic, let's pack our backpacks.
Okay, I'll help.
Beautiful, it's my thanks, Jimmy Giggle. First, we need to pack our super comfy Christmas cushions.
Okay, Christmas cushions. All right, got them right here. Check! There we go. Awesome.
Cushion-tastic. Next, we need to pack our Christmas snack bowls.
Christmas snack bowls. Yes, here they are. All right, pop them in there. Christmas snack bowls. Check!
And we need a Christmas storybook as well.
Okay, a Christmas storybook.
And what about a Christmas hooper?
Hang on a second, guys.
And Christmas presents.
You're going a bit too fast.
Oh, no. Oh, sorry, Jimmy Giggle. We're just so excited about the great Christmas picnic. Yeah, we love picnics and we love Christmas.
Oh, yeah, I'm very excited too. Let me just put this one in there.
Thanks, Jimmy Giggle.
And the hoop ball. Yep, there we go. Oh, wait, one more present.
Wow.
Guess what, everyone? We're all packed.
Christmas-tastic!
Hoot, hoot,
Hoot!